What does delivered mean on the Snapchat? So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that what does delivered mean on the Snapchat. So on the Snapchat, delivers means that message or the snaps has been sent to the recipient, and you can see this option. So from there you can see the delivered option. So this delivered means that the message has been sent to the recipient but has not yet been opened. This means that once the recipient opens or views the message or the snap, or to solid arrow icon changes to a hollow arrow icon, indicating that the message or the snap has been opened or the viewed. So this is what the delivered mean. It's important to note that if the recipient has blocked you, your message or the snap will still show delivered but will not be opened or viewed by them. So overall, the delivered status on the Snapchat indicates that the message or the snap has been sent to the recipient but has not yet been opened or viewed by them. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.